The mystery of the lost voice. A middle-aged man notices his voice growing weaker over the past few weeks. There's no sore throat, no difficulty swallowing, and no chest pain, just a persistent hoarseness that makes speaking exhausting. Concerned, he visits a doctor. Upon examination, everything seems normal at first. No signs of infection, no smoking history, and no acid reflux. But something doesn't add up. The doctor listens closely to his chest and hears an abnormal heart murmur. Further tests are ordered, revealing a surprising culprit, an enlarged pulmonary artery pressing on the left recurrent laryngeal nerve. This rare condition is known as Ortner Syndrome, or Cardiovocal Syndrome. Unlike common causes of hoarseness, this one isn't from the throat, it's from the heart. The recurrent laryngeal nerve, responsible for voice control, passes near major blood vessels. When the heart enlarges due to conditions like pulmonary hypertension, it can compress this nerve, leading to voice changes. The key to recovery isn't throat medication, it's treating the underlying heart condition. By managing pulmonary hypertension, the pressure on the nerve can be reduced, potentially restoring the voice. But in severe cases, nerve damage may be permanent. A weak voice isn't always just a throat problem. Sometimes it's the heart's silent cry for help.